So I'm in Goa right now, and I'm going to record this video and talk about why I'm starting to create content. कई बार क्या होता है ना, हम चीज़ें करने का मन होता है और हम सोचते रह जाते हैं और ऐसा लगता है कि आज सही टाइम नहीं है, कल सही टाइम नहीं है, मे बी एक साल बाद करेंगे, मे बी पहले कुछ अचीव कर लें उसके बाद कुछ करेंगे. Creating content is something that I wanted to do for a really long time, but unfortunately कभी हो नहीं पाया. Lack of courage, lack of time sometimes, lack of understanding of things sometimes, lack of confidence sometimes. कुछ ना कुछ lack करा ही है जिसकी वजह से I could never ever start, start making content. And eventually I realized that there will never be a good time, there will never be a perfect look, you will never be fit enough to start content, you will never look handsome enough or perfect enough for the camera to start content. So today I've just got up, I've come to this beach, and I've put on this camera and I have started talking. And I'm going to talk about this, why I'm starting to create content, why I'm starting YouTube. The simple reason is that I want to, write stories, be successful at it, and I want to put my stories out there. And I want to reach people so that they can discover me as an author, discover me as a storyteller, discover me as a content creator, and consume my stories. I have this philosophy in life that every individual, every person जो इस दुनिया में पैदा होता है, उसका एक अपना, like a river, वो अपना एक shape लेता है, वो अपना एक उसका mind, the content they consume, the people they meet, the books they read, the movies they watch, the upbringing they have, the family they were born into, it makes for a very unique individual. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं भी एक यूनिक इंडिविजुअल हूँ, एंड देयर इज नो शेम इन एक्सेप्टिंग दैट. यू आर, मैं जैसा भी हूँ, जो भी हूँ, whoever I am a unique individual, and there will be only one like me in this whole world who will be born and who will have the thoughts the way I have. And because of that, I realized that if somebody is born in this world, it needs to be documented. The thoughts I had when I lived in this world, the feelings I felt, the moments I went through, it's very unique. Nobody else can live my life. And I thought I should document it. I don't know how many people will be interested in that life, in that experience, in that feeling, but it needs to be documented. That's what I felt. So that's one reason why I want to start a YouTube channel. And like I said earlier, I want to write stories, I want to reach out to people, I want to sell my stories so that I can write more stories, so that I can sell more stories, so that I can be out there and make storytelling my full-time profession. I've been writing content for 10 years now. I have written for a lot of brands, I have done hell lot of things in the space of writing. But the real thing that I always wanted to do was my own stories. I wanted to write my own stories. I wanted to create worlds that come out of my head onto the paper, and I want people to read them. And it comes from the very same thing that I earlier said, that it all comes from the life I lived, the people I met, the thoughts I generated in my head, the upbringing I had, the friends I met, the people I interacted with. It all comes from that. So in a way, generating content, stories, whatever, it all comes from who I am as a person, and it needs to be out there. At the end of the day, I am here to tell stories. As a content creator, as a author, hopefully as a screenwriter, and maybe as a web series writer in some OTT platform. The possibilities are endless, and those possibilities start now. please subscribe to my channel. It will give me a lot of encouragement, and I'm happy that I did this. I was able to speak to the camera for so long. I was able to express myself so openly. I don't even know if I made sense out of this video. I don't even know if I have done a good job with all this surrounding, all this lighting, all this frame, or whatever the content creation is all about. I don't even know if I have put enough in this video for you to be interested till the very end. But I did something and I'm proud of it. And that's how it's gonna start. To be proud of myself, of whatever I do right now, I've done in the past, and what I'm gonna do in the future.